in cause number 2018-0D06649, State of Texas versus Steven Serrano Gutierrez. Announcement of council, please.
Samantha Rock on behalf of the state. State's ready, Your Honor.
John Slattery on behalf of the defendant. Defense is ready, Your Honor.
Okay, and Mr. Gutierrez is appearing remotely as well. We're set for a review hearing. Let me go to his case summary as well. Isn't this one the one that we had a question about the driving at some point? I think this is just, we still have some skips, Mr. Slattery, no positives. Let's see, he completed, but those are old. 10 days ACOP were completed in August. We've got all negative testing. We still have some skips. Why do we keep having skips, Mr. Gutierrez?
Well, man, well, they switched my, I went to night, so I start working at 2 p.m. and then I finish at 2 a.m. So it's kind of hard for me to stay up those 3 hours. And then I don't sleep with my hearing aid because I can't hear on my left ear. So sometimes I just oversleep. And then I got sick about a month and a half ago. I got the flu. And then my wife had surgery at the beginning of the month. So I've been taking care of her, going to work. And it's just been a little bit rough. But I mean, I don't mean to. It just, and then I try. As soon as I miss, I blow right away. But I know it doesn't count. But I was just told that even though you miss, go ahead and blow.
Yeah, well, not always right away, right? Because when the window's from 5 to 8, you're blowing at, 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yes, right. I understand. I'm sorry about that. But that's the only thing is they switched my, like right now I stopped working at 2:30 this morning. So I had to stay up 3 hours to blow. But that's the only thing I'm having a hard time with right now. But it's temporary right now that they switched me to nights right now, man.
Well, you have to understand that it's that monitor compliance that is either going to determine whether I issue more days in jail or issue a bench warrant. So you need to give it that priority. I know it's not the most convenient, but the window in the morning is 5 a.m. to 8 a.m., 11 to 2 and 5 to 8 p.m. I mean, those really are not, those are like the bare bones windows in terms of testing for my DWIers. You're still a good ways away. You're not terming until 24. So for now, do we have any, I guess, aside from those skips, Carla, anything else that you all needed to bring to my attention? I think this was just a review that I was going to do kind of standard after the last time we were here.
Correct, Judge. As per the probation officer, it was just to address and admonish for the skipped, the late testing. But other than that, just to continue monitoring him.
And he did complete the 10 days ACOP, right?
I show it as pending, Judge.
I see that there, but then I had him 10 days ACOP completed from 8/19 to 8/29. Okay, so that's done. All right, honestly, I am not gonna, unless I'm hearing something from probation, I'm not gonna bring him back, Mr. Slattery. But Mr. Gutierrez, if you continue to have problems on the monitor, I know probation's gonna tell me, and then you're gonna be back. So I don't wanna do that. Take care of your probation and take care of, your family, all that stuff. I don't need to be bringing you back. If you're compliant, great. But if you're not, then you're coming back. Okay.
That's very much appreciated, Judge.
Okay, who's next?
Ma'am, I can't be excused.
Is that all you have?
That's all. I'll be